Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're gonna learn how and why the Instagram story music is not working in business account. What is happening there and what you can do. So first of all, the personal and business account on Instagram are quite different and the options you're gonna receive are different as well. So if I try to create a story here, and if I just go into the option at the top to add some music, the music you're going to obtain in your business or professional account is really different from your personal account. So don't worry. That's just the politics of Instagram, and there's nothing you can do for what you really want to obtain here in the music. That's what you need, just to leave it as it is, okay? Obviously, you got the option to change in settings and privacy. This is a personal account, so this is at the bottom with this option, account type and tools. You can switch your account to professional account whenever you want, but I don't recommend you to do that from the professional account to personal account because you're gonna lose your process, your analytics. So just leave it that way as I told you and use the music you are obtaining in your professional or business accounts. Okay? That's what you need to know by now. Please subscribe to our channel, give a like to our video, and leave us some comment if you have some doubts. Okay? Thanks for watching.